I now recognize point of order. I'll take the last point of order from Lilongwe Site Mloza.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Right Honorable Speaker.
But Honorable Lilongwe Rosa, please, I had already recognized Government Whip. I'll give you after the Government Whip. Let me give Government Whip.
Thank you so much, Right Honorable Speaker, for recognizing the people of Nankaka constituency. Mine is a point of order. The honorable member who has just resumed his seat. Yes, on another point of order. Why not?
Government Whip, please address the chair. Order. Address the chair.
Speaker, is it?
Order.
Is it in order, Right Honorable Speaker, for the honorable member to reflect?
Order.
Speaker.
Order on my left. Government Whip.
Right Honorable Speaker, is it in order for the honorable member to reflect on the speaker? That is the question.
Order. Honorable members. Lilongwe Nyanja, let me have order. Mzimba, let me have order. I did make a ruling on the first point of order, so this is a fresh point of order. Government Whip, are you raising a fresh point of order?
Yes, Honorable, it is a fresh point.
Please go ahead.
The point of order that I am raising, Right Honorable Speaker, is whether it is in order for the honorable member who has just resumed his seat to reflect on the speaker. That is my point of order, Right Honorable Speaker. Thank you.
Thank you. Honourable members, let me say this on my left, both aisles. I will not entertain noise. I will not entertain childishness. Don't try me. I want seriousness in the house. Order. Let me say this. Order. Let me say this. I was relaxed last week as being the first week. Do not take that as my weakness. I am here to do parliament business. I am not here to play games. So let us do business as matured, honorable members and respect the House. If you have a point of order, simply stand up, I'll recognize you. But talking while another honorable member is talking will not be entertained by me. Thank you. Mantha Central. Your constituency, Honorable Salima.
Salima Central West.
Salima Central
West. A question.
You have a question?
Yeah.
Salima Central West.
To the minister.
And Deza Kasina.
Chair.
So in that order, I'll take three for now. Mantha Central.
Thank you.
Salima Central West. And Deza Kasina. In that order, please proceed, Mantha Central.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker. I want to find out from the minister if they are proceeding to use data available now for maize distribution, because there seem to be a lot of chaos. I'll cite a good example in my constituency. The Agriculture Department officers 2 days ago were in one of the centers to read out the names. But it looks like there's a lot of chaos, and I would probably suggest to the minister to look into the data, verify if the names are really those that are intended beneficiaries of the program, so that we avoid some of the issues that she raised. Thank you very much, Right Honourable Speaker.
Thank you, Mwanza Central. Salima
Central West.
Salima Central West, 1 minute. I see the leader of the House standing.
Thank you very much, Right Honourable Speaker, and good afternoon. For us to utilize the time today efficiently, I will allow the House to ask questions up to 3:30, because thereafter we'll move into another important ministerial statement. So let us manage the available time. Thank you very much, Right Honourable Speaker.
Thank you, leader. Well noted. Salima Central West, proceed.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker, sir, for giving chance to people of Salima Central West to ask a question to the Honourable Minister of Agriculture out of her statement. Mr. Speaker, sir, it's a known fact that this country has not yet fully recovered from the weather-related shocks. And even in the midst of all those other farmers that got loans, along the way, they got affected by that. And passionately, you can even read from the minister's statement, identifying and accepting that many people got affected. I want to know if at all, in the midst of these related shocks, despite that there is a deadline for loan recovery, if there will be consideration to restructure that loan recovery period, considering that our farmers never chose to be in the situation where they are, but they got affected by what is unprecedented and what wouldn't have avoided because of the weather-related shocks. So I want to know from the minister if there will be a rescheduling and consideration that at least our farmers can be given a sort of relief as they consider repaying their loans. Thank you.
Thank you, Salima Central West. Dedza Kasina.
Thank you so much, Your Honor, Right Honourable Speaker, for recognizing people with the Zagasina to ask a question to the Minister of Agriculture. First, let me congratulate her for her appointment, but I have a few questions for the Chair, which is going to the Minister of Agriculture. The first one I would have loved in her statement, which has just been shared now on a platform, if he shared with the House as to how they have distributed the beneficiary lists per district, per ADD, even per region, because there are so many unofficial documents flying around, which is showing some districts getting more numbers, even districts which we know that they don't produce more maize. So I would appreciate if the Minister of Agriculture share with this House the beneficiary for each district or each ADD. And also in her statement she mentioned of the fertilizer which was sold to farmers. I know some farmers were accessing fertilizer under commercial farming through Farmers Club, and with the coming in of festive, what would be the difference? Because now you're saying it would be the community or the chiefs now doing the sampling or doing the identification of the beneficiaries. How sure is it going? The government going to ensure that those who benefited under Farmers Club, because I know most of Farmers Club, some of them got their fertilizer at 90,000, and some were yet to benefit from that. How are those clubs which were already formulated, but they haven't benefited? Some already benefited. How are we going to help them? And also, away from FISIP, because I had more questions, but because of the beneficiary per district, if we are shared, I'm going to ask more on that. But on the maize distribution, she mentioned that they are going to ensure. In her statement, she mentioned one of the issues which affected as a country to have few harvests is because of El Nino weather. But it's surprising that during the MVAC report and the state of the disaster which was declared by His Excellency, most of the districts which were affected by El Nino were not included on the state of disaster. Dedza is one of them, and so many other districts, including almost no single district from the northern part of Nzimba and others. They are not on that list. Very lastly, on the Zambian maize, Mr. Speaker, sir. Very lastly, Mr. Speaker, on Zambian maize, I want to ask the Minister of Agriculture, having in mind that ministers of agriculture in this government loves Zambia when it comes to buying maize. Did we do diligence when we are getting the maize?